Hello everybody, I'm Tracey here for Design Essentials, and today we're going to be doing a sensitive scalp relaxer on Miss Lois. When's the last time you had a relaxer?
It's been about 5 years since I've had a relaxer, and you know, when I was getting relaxed, I hated it, if I'm being honest, because I used to get a lot of irritation, and then I went natural for a while. So now I'm back to wanting to try to get a relaxer. Okay.
You said you're dealing with scalp irritation before when you got relaxers. You know what was causing that? Was it the relaxer itself, or were you doing any type of scalp manipulation or anything like that?
No, I just bought my regular store brand relaxer and I thought it was good, but it was just giving me so much irritation. And then now I want to try to see if maybe I can try it again. Okay, well, we're going to be using Design Essentials sensitive scalp relaxer since you're dealing with sensitive scalp. And we're going to do a virgin application. And when we go in, we're going to base your scalp using our Calm Base Cream. And we're going to take 1/4 part, but doing that so we can ensure that we can avoid any type of irritation. How's that sound? That sounds great, because oh my God, I just need something like, with being natural, I love being natural, right? But it can take upward 5 hours for like one wash day. So now if I'm able to get a relaxer, I just have more time on my hands and I won't be so like constricted with doing my hair all the time. So if you have a sensitive scalp relaxer, then I'm all here for it.
Okay. One thing I want you to understand that getting a relaxer or a chemical service is a commitment. So I ask that you return anywhere from every 10 to 12 weeks, or based on how fast your hair grows, in order to get a relaxer retouch, and we can go in and condition your hair and make sure we keep the integrity of your hair. And the second part to that is, being that you love your natural texture, we can still give you that as I relax you, we can come back and set you, whether we're using flexi rods or tinfoil rods, to give a natural look. So going to a relaxer doesn't mean you can't have a natural look.
Oh, sounds great then.
Okay, Ms. Lois, we done went through the relaxer selection and what we're going to do in our plan of action. Are you ready to go?
Let's do it.
When doing a virgin relaxer, we're going to part the hair in 4 quadrants, and we're going to start with the mid shaft first, then to the scalp, and then to the ends, in order to get an even relaxer process. Also remember, when applying a relaxer or relaxer retouch, you don't want to get the hair more than 65 to 75% straight. Anything more than that can cause adverse reactions. You don't want to overprocess the hair, because overprocessed hair is damaged hair. Your Neutralizing Conditioning Shampoo is going to help to remove any relaxer residue, and it also has a color indicator to let you know if there's anything left in the hair. your neutralizing process, you'll follow behind that Design Essentials Milk and Honey 6-in-1 Reconstructive Conditioner. This conditioner reconnects the S-bonds and returns the pH back to a 4.5. It also helps to strengthen the hair. It's imperative that this product is used after every relaxer service.